Hello, everyone, and welcome to CE Institute. My name is Selena Belisle, and I am the founder and one of the board approved Lomilomi CE instructors here. We teach ancient temple style Lomilomi massage. We do show some big island strokes and give you a little bit of information about Auntie Margaret style as well. But our primary hands on instruction is from the ancient temple style inspired by Abraham. Now, I'm going to show you in this training today how we practice scalp massage in the pronated position during an ancient temple style Lomi massage. It's almost like a waterfall cascading over the scalp. That's what we want to produce in these wave like motions with our hands. Keep in mind, we are a continuing education provider. That means whoever is taking our training or practicing our work should already be a licensed healthcare provider because massage is a licensed profession as part of healthcare here in the United States. Okay. And while Lomi massage is something that can be practiced by Hawaiians, I believe without license today, I believe they received that exemption. We're teaching an modern, more Americanized version for healthcare providers who want to practice Lomi inspired techniques. Okay. So make sure you've done your health history and ensured that your client is fit for massage before ever practicing on them. And that is covered in your rudimentary training prior to taking continuing education. Okay, so for Lomi scalp massage in the pronated position, you could open with this. And what we're doing is we're taking our fingers and weaving through the hair, almost like water, cascading. Think about Hawaii. It's a Hawaiian island, okay? It's a chain of islands. And with that waterborne existence, we want to bring that into our Hawaiian influence massage. And that's what we're doing here with the scalp. We're acting like our hands are water, cascading over the scalp. We just worked superior to inferior. Now we're turning around inferior to superior strokes. Same strokes, just different direction, cascading over that scalp, creating that beautiful, peaceful, aloha feeling. And that's what we want with our Lomi massage. We do not teach hybrid treatments. We don't add in myofascial release or anything with Lomi. We just want to teach an authentic, beautiful, peaceful, enjoyable massage that in itself chinks away at all the armor that we put on our bodies through all the stress. Lomi massage is one of those beautiful, peaceful, wonderful massages where you can just de-armor without poking and prodding in the body. If you want to learn more Lomi massage, please come to us. We are at ceinstitute.com. And on the menu bar, you'll find Lomi massage. Okay. We offer home study self-paced training, which is available instantaneously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll get an email as soon as you purchase and register, and that's available right away until your course access expires. We also have live in person and live webinar training as well in Lomi massage. Lots of different training options for Lomi, specifically ancient temple style Lomi massage here at the school. And until we see you in one of those classes, we hope you enjoyed and be safe.